Pinnacle users, Steve Tapner here. On the screen in this short video, I have an open order. When this order is ready and I'm about to send the part to my customer, it's useful to know that we've got a few options as to how we actually address the part, address the freight so that it gets to the customer. One option is that we have a right-click option up here to print an address label. Simple label, customer's name and address, comes out of your tag printer, and you can put that on the part or parts that you're sending to the customer. Same option actually from the delivery address. So either way, if we know where the part's going, we can print an address label. But we have some other options as well. If we didn't want to send the invoice with the part to the customer, we have actually got the option to print a packing list. A simple document that describes the parts and our details and the customer's details. Appears on a document that looks like that. Basically, your logo, your details, but your customer's details and the details of the part. In the process of creating the order, we've got another option as well, which is the option of the delivery tag. When we go to save a work order, or from the work order manager screen, we have the option to print what's called a delivery tag in Pinnacle. This is maybe not quite like the address label. It's not a label that you would put on the part to send it to your customer, but it's a great label to put on the part while it's in your process, while it's moving through dispatch. It has the customer's details, the details of the part, the work order number. Particularly useful for a part that's just come off a car or in some other way doesn't have a part tag on it. So remember, you can print delivery tags. The option to print delivery tags is also available as a button in the work order manager screen. When the order is ready and we are invoicing it out to the customer, well, that might sound pretty straightforward. We're just going to go up here, we're going to save this invoice, and we've got the option to print an invoice for our customer. But we also have the option to email the invoice, and increasingly our customers are wanting an electronic version rather than a printed version. So this gives us the option to email the customer the invoice, and we would use one of the other options, the address label or the packing list, to actually address the parcel so that it gets to the customer. Particularly important if you're doing for another dismantler, send direct, where you definitely don't want to send the invoice with the part. You want to send the invoice to your customer, but you want to address the part to where it is going. So just keep those in mind. Address label, delivery tag, packing list, and invoice are all different documents that can be generated in Pinnacle, have a different purpose, but can help you to streamline your dispatch process, get the invoice to where it's needed and the part to where it's needed with the customer. Hope that's helpful. As always, if there's any questions, give me a call. Thank you.